Here is the main character for this video. Now, let's go to Isaac Osman channel analytics. Isaac has uploaded 352 videos. He now has 1.09 million subscribers with a total view of 177,742,087 views. He's from Malaysia, and his channel type is entertainment. He created his channel since February 24, 2011. The grade he got is B+, and his social blade ranking is at 13,909th. The subscriber ranking is 22,038th, and then video view rank is 35,221st. He ranked at 50th in Malaysia and 5,741st in entertainment. Next, the daily subs for Isaac is around 1K with a daily view of 264,905. Now let's talk about how much money is he making on YouTube, and this is going to be an estimate. So, the daily view is 265,000. A YouTuber will get $4 every 1,000 views. Therefore, the daily earning will be $1,060. Then, monthly income will be $31,800. Don't forget that YouTube get the cut of the revenue for 45%. Now, monthly income will be $17,490 after the cut. And as for the yearly income will be $209,880. That is how much Isaac Osman earns from YouTube.